The P0026 code indicates a problem with the intake valve control solenoid circuit on bank 1. This solenoid, also known as the oil control valve, is crucial for variable valve timing, which optimizes engine performance at different RPMs. The code sets when the ECM detects the solenoid's operation is outside expected parameters, impacting engine performance, fuel efficiency, and emissions. Common symptoms of a P0026 code include the check engine light illuminating on the dashboard. Engine misfires can occur, affecting smooth operation. You'll notice decreased fuel economy, typically a 5 to 10% drop in efficiency. Rough idling and potential stalling may happen during operation. In severe cases, ignoring this code can lead to catalytic converter damage. Addressing these symptoms promptly is essential to prevent further issues. Begin by checking your engine oil level and quality. Low oil or the wrong viscosity can clog the solenoid. Low oil levels or incorrect viscosity can prevent proper solenoid operation by causing clogs or poor flow. Next, inspect the wiring harnesses connected to the solenoid for any signs of corrosion, damage, or shorts. Ensure proper connections to rule out simple electrical issues before moving on to more complex diagnostics. To test the solenoid, first disconnect the vehicle battery for safety. For resistance testing, use a multimeter set to ohms. Connect the probes to the solenoid terminals and check for a reading between 6 and 15 ohms. Abnormal resistance indicates a faulty solenoid that may need cleaning or replacement. For voltage testing, set the multimeter to DC volts. Connect the positive probe to the solenoid connector and the negative probe to a good ground. Compare the reading to your vehicle's service manual specifications. Abnormal voltage readings point to electrical issues with the solenoid circuit. For a deeper diagnosis, use an oscilloscope to monitor the solenoid's pulse width modulation (PWM) signal. This signal controls the solenoid's operation. Irregularities in the PWM signal can pinpoint issues within the ECM or the solenoid itself, helping you differentiate between electrical and mechanical problems. Depending on the diagnosis, you have several repair options. Sometimes, simply cleaning carbon buildup from the solenoid can resolve the issue. However, if the solenoid is faulty, replacement is necessary. Aftermarket solenoids from reputable brands like Bosch or Denso offer improved durability. In rare cases, ECM reprogramming or even camshaft replacement might be required. One common mistake is overlooking wiring issues. Always double-check the wiring and connectors for corrosion or shorts. Another tip is to ensure you're using the correct oil type and maintaining regular oil changes to prevent future solenoid clogs. Finally, consider checking for ECM software updates, as bugs can sometimes trigger false P0026 codes. Future trends include predictive maintenance technologies using AI to flag potential P0026 issues before they trigger a code. Synthetic oils with enhanced flow properties are reducing solenoid failures, especially in cold climates. Staying proactive with vehicle maintenance and leveraging these advancements can help prevent P0026 codes in the future.